What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Shelly, and welcome back to Halloween Day 11. Oh my god, I can't believe we're on day 11. This is so crazy. I know I keep saying it every single one, but like, bruh, this month literally flew by. Oh my god, I can't believe we're almost in November. Also, happy Scorpio season to all my fellow Scorpios. So anyway, we're gonna get started. Today we are doing Beetlejuice. So I wanted to get a little funky with this one because I was just going to do just a basic suit and maybe dress my face up a little bit more. But this time I wanted to kind of make it a little bit more elaborate with Beetlejuice because, you know, the world of Beetlejuice is a little bit upside down, kind of like Wonderland. You don't know what to expect when you go there. This piece, I got an inspo from a young lady I follow on TikTok. Her name is, I think it's like A Mastery, A Artistry, something like that, AM Artistry, something like that. I'll leave it linked down below. But yes, I got this inspo from her. But yeah, so right now I'm just drawing out the chest piece of the Sandworm. I wanted to add the Sandworm because he's well known for being a part of the Beetlejuice world. Also that other little head thing, I don't even know what that thing is called, but yeah. But everybody knows the Sandworm from being a part of Beetlejuice. But yeah, so I wanted him to be the main focus of the chest piece look. So he will be placed in the middle, and of course I will start painting him in like so. And again, you guys, if you are following any of my looks, I make a lot of mistakes along the way. So as you can see, I'm correcting myself with my stencils or my drawings or whatever once I actually do the actual painting. So yeah, sorry in advance. So right now I'm just following up with some white body paint and also outlining where the Sandworm's heads will be, because of course our body will be also white. So I want to make sure I cover and backtrack because I will forget. Once I have that filled in, I'm also going to start on the mouth and fill in his teeth and also have the gums ready. And then I'll start building on the roof of the mouth, also the other row of teeth. Again, like I'm extra, y'all don't have to make as many teeth as I do. I just like scary things that have a lot of teeth because I feel like it makes it scarier. That's just my preference. But yeah, so again, I'm outlining with a very fine brush and some black body paint and just making sure I'm correcting myself along the way. Again, like this is just my painting style, just to make sure I cover all my tracks. Now I'm going to add detail to the Sandworm and also start filling in the tail. Now I'm going to fill in the entire background as my body color now as Beetlejuice. I'm using Diamond FX white. I believe this is the most whitest paint I have available to me, which I love. Now I'm going to continue to fill in the rest of the suit with black and white body paint. And then I will do minor shading with Corrupt from Makeup Geek. So I went back into my Mayron paint and I decided to make myself have green eyebrows. So I'm using a dark green body paint and I'm just going to carve my eyebrows out like I normally would do. Alright you guys, so we are going in with the shades Love That, Escape, Single, and Skip from the James Charles palette. I tried cheating on my palette and regretted it in 2 seconds, so I went right back to James Charles. And now I am just cutting my crease with the same concealer I carved out my eyebrows with. And I am just creating a very dramatic cut crease. Sorry I had to zoom this in a whole lot, y'all, because I was all up in my mirror and I was leaned all the way forward and you wouldn't be able to see me unless I did it like this. But right now I'm just grabbing some white body paint because we are going to create some mini sand snakes on our eyes as our cut crease liner. Now I'm going in with Kaleidic Dreams by Tiffany. Her name is on Instagram is illumin_arty. And if you don't know her, she's an amazing body painter that I follow. And she just came out with a palette, so I had to grab it. And I'm using her shade Artist. It's this beautiful deep emerald green color, and I had to use it because it was just like, oh my god. And again, I'm on the mirror because I want to make sure this looks right. But right now I'm creating the black parts of the sand snakes on our eyelids. And again, this is very tedious and I was messing up a whole lot, so I had to go back and correct a whole lot. So yeah. So right now I'm adding Mayron's Clown White all over my face because of course Beetlejuice is really dead looking. So of course we have to make ourselves look dead looking. So I'm adding the Clown White. And then once I do that, I will set it with some with some translucent powder. And I will go back into my James Charles palette and use a green eyeshadow to basically contour my face and make it look a little bit more Beetlejuice-like, if you will. And then I'm going to contour my nose a little bit too. Then I'm going to use a stippling sponge and I'm going to use black and brown body paint and place that all over my face and body. And of course, we cannot forget our iconic wig. So finally, I am just adding some black body paint to my lips as our lipstick, because of course I don't have any black lipstick, so this will do. So that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed watching, and please let me know by leaving me a like, comment down below, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next look, and if you guys aren't following me on my other social medias when I'm off of here, everything will be linked down in the description bar down below. Bye!